We will do the revision of lesson 5 periodic classification of elements. Question number 1. Did Dabbe-Reynolds triad also exist in the columns of Newland octave? Compare and find out. Yes, Dabbe-Reynolds triads also exist in column of the Newland octaves. These are hydrogen, lithium and beryllium. Dabbe-Reynolds triad depend on the set of the three elements, but Newland octave explain the eighth element. Eight element. What are the limitations of the Dabbe-Reynolds classification? Dabbe-Reynolds could find only three triads from the elements known at that time. It is applicable only to a few elements. It was applicable only for a few elements. What were the limitations of the Newland law of octaves? It is applicable up to calcium only. Sometimes two elements were put in the same slot. After the discovery of the noble gas, law of octave is not valid because he did not give the space to the noble gas. Next question. Use Mendeleev periodic table to predict the formula for the oxides of the following elements. For potassium, K2O. For carbon, CO2. For aluminium, Al2O3. For silicon, SiO2. For barium, BaO. Besides gallium, which other elements have since been discovered to fill the gap left by the Mendeleev in the periodic table? Any two elements. These were the scandium and germanium. Scandium and germanium. What were the criteria used by the Mendeleev in creating his periodic table? The formula of hydrides and oxides formed by an element were treated as one of the basic properties of an element for its classification. Formula of hydrides and oxides formed by the element treated as the basic properties of the element for its classification. It is based upon the Mendeleev periodic law, which predict that properties of the element are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Next question. What do you think? The noble gases are placed in a separate group. These gases were discovered very late because they are very inert. Inert means non-reactive, and placing them in a separate group does not disturb the existing order put forward by the Mendeleev. How could modern periodic table remove various anomalies of the Mendeleev periodic table? First was isotopes of an element occupy same position in the periodic table due to the same atomic number. Isotopes of element same position in the periodic table due to same atomic number. There is a logical separation of element into the subgroups. It is based upon the fundamental properties of an element, and that fundamental properties were atomic number. Name two elements you would expect to show same kind of chemical reactivity as magnesium. What is the basis for your choice? Calcium and strontium. These are the two elements which have the same chemical reactivity as the magnesium because they have same number of valence electron. That's why we choose this calcium and strontium. Name three elements that have only a single electron in their outermost shell. Lithium, sodium and potassium. Two elements that have two electrons in their outermost shell. Magnesium and calcium. Three elements with filled outermost shell. It means noble gas. These are neon, argon, krypton. Next question. Lithium, sodium, potassium are all metals that react with water to liberate hydrogen gas. Is there any similarity in the atom of these elements? Yes, there is the similarities in the lithium, sodium and potassium because one electron in their valence shell, and all these are the metal. These all are the metal. Lithium, sodium, potassium, these all are metals and they have one valence electron in their outermost shell. Helium is an unreactive gas and neon is a gas of extremely low reactivity. What, if anything, do their atoms have in common? 8 electrons in their valence shell. Helium and neon both are the noble gas, and noble gas have the 8 electrons in their valence shell. In the modern periodic table of the first 10 elements, what are the metals? Lithium and beryllium. By considering their position in the periodic table, which one of the following element would you expect to have the most metallic characteristics? That is gallium. That is gallium. Now, next question. Which of the following statement is not a correct statement about the trends when going from left to right across the periodic table? The element become less metallic in nature if we go from left to right. Then these are the metal and here are the non-metal, and in between these metalloid. The element become less metallic in nature. This is the correct. We have to tell the wrong statement. This is the correct. Non-metallic character is decreases or less. Number of valence electron increases. As we move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element, then you can see easily here the number of electron in the valence shell increases. But if we go top to bottom, the number of shell increases, not the number of electron. Atom lose their electrons more easily from left to right. Atom loses electron easily. No, atom are not loses easily because there is the only number of electron is increasing, and due to the more nuclear effect or more force of attraction, it is not easy from left to right to remove the electron or lose the electron. It means C is the right answer. It is the wrong. It is the wrong because we have to choose the wrong statement. The oxides become more acidic. From left to right we move, then oxides become more acidic. Next question. Element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. X most likely to be in the same group of the periodic table XCl2. It means X plus Cl2, it forms the XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. X would most likely to be the same group of the periodic table as sodium. No, we cannot take the sodium because its atomic number is 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. It has only one valence electron, but here chlorine is 2. Now magnesium. Magnesium is 12, 282. It have 2 electron in the outermost shell. It means it will share 2 electron with the chlorine. And magnesium is the right answer. You can see here aluminium is at the 13 and 283 is the electronic configuration. It means it will share 3 valence electron, but here chlorine have the 2. One is at the 14 and it has the electronic configuration 284 and it will share 4 electron, but here it is sharing only 2 electron. So right answer is magnesium. Which element has 2 shells, both of which are completely filled with electron? Completely filled shell are noble gas, and noble gas neon. 2 shell, both of which is filled helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, rayon. These are the noble gas, and you can see here helium atomic number is 2 and neon is 10 and its electronic configuration is 2 and 8. It has the 2 shell which are completely filled. Answer is neon. The electronic configuration is 282. It means 8 or 10, 10 to 12. that element is at the 12 number, 12 atomic number, and 12 atomic number is magnesium. A total of 3 shell with 4 electron in the valence shell. Just now we have done for the silicon. It has the 14 atomic number and it has the 3 valence shell. A total of the 3 shell with 4 electron in the valence shell. It means it is silicon. A total of the 2 shell with 3 electron in the valence shell. We have the 2 electron and with 3 electron in the shell. It means this element should have the atomic number 5. Atomic number 5, and at the 5 hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, and this is the boron. Twice as many electron in its second shell as in its first shell. First shell have 2 electron always, and it is twice mean 2 to the 4, and this element have the 2 shell and twice of the electron in the second shell. It means 2 and 4 6, and the element should be the atomic number should be 6, and 6 is the for the carbon. It means carbon is the element for this. What property do all elements in the same column of the periodic table as boron have in the common? All elements of this column have 3 electrons in their valence shell like the boron. What property do all elements in the same column of the periodic table as fluorine have in common? Fluorine have all the elements have 7 electrons in their valence shell. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all the elements have the 7 electrons in the valence shell. An atom has the electronic configuration 287. 287 means atomic number is 8 to 10 and 7 17. It means this is chlorine. What is the atomic number of the element? Atomic number is 17. 17 is the right answer. To which of the following element would it be chemically similar? Atomic number are given in the parenthesis. If you write down the sodium nitrogen atomic number, then it will be 2 and 5. 2 and 5, but we need like this, the element which have the 7 electron in the outermost shell. Now for the 9 fluorine, for the 9 2 and 7, it means 2 and 7. This is the similar. This also have 7 in the valence electron, and this also have the 7 electron in the valence shell. Now phosphorus 15, 2 and 8 and 5. This is also the wrong. Now argon 18, electronic configuration 2, 8 and 8. This is also not the similar with this electronic configuration. It means right answer is fluorine. The position of 3 elements A, B and C in the periodic table are as shown below. Move towards the right side, then here are the non-metals and these are the metals. State whether A is metal or non-metal, and A is on this side, group 17. Group 17 coming here, group 17 coming here, and these are the non-metal. It means A is non-metal. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. C is less reactive. C is less reactive because group 17 have the 17 will gain only 1 electron. 17 it means chlorine, and 287 it has the electronic configuration 287 and it will gain 1 electron, and it can easily gain electron, and C is less reactive than the A. Now will C be the larger or smaller in size than B? If we move from left to right, then size will decreases. And C is on this group. From left to right, C is smaller in size than the B. Now, which type of ion, cation or anion, will be formed by the element A? A is on this side, group 17. It means these are non-metals and non-metals form the anion. If we make the chlorine ion, then we write down Cl minus 1. It means chlorine anion. Chlorine anion. Next question. Nitrogen atomic number is 7 and phosphorus atomic number is 15. Belongs to the group 15 of the periodic table. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. Which of these will be more electronegative and why? If we will write down the nitrogen, then nitrogen at the 7, it means its electronic configuration is 2 and 5. K shall have 2 electron, L shall have 5 electron and M shall have no electron. And phosphorus 15. Then 2, 8 and 5. Nitrogen is more electronegative. If we move from bottom to top, it means nitrogen is small size and it is large size. Nitrogen has small size so that it is more electronegative than the phosphorus. Next question. How does the electronic configuration of an atom relate to its position in the modern periodic table? By knowing the electronic configuration of an element, we can know its period number from the number of shell present in its atom and from number of electron in the valence shell. We can easily find out by checking the number of valence electron. Valence electron easily tell their position. Of the atom, we can know its group number. Let us consider the case of the sodium. Atomic number of the sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. Number of shell are the 3, K, L and M. Sodium belongs to the third period because it has the 3 shell. Also, sodium atom have 1 electron in the valence shell. Electron present in the valence shell mean first group. Sodium lies in the first group and third period of the modern periodic table. Because it have 1 valence electron and 3 shell, it means sodium is present in the first group and the third period. First group and third period. Here you can see easily lithium, hydrogen, lithium and sodium. It is at the third period and in the first group because sodium has the 1 electron in the outermost shell and it has the 3 valence shell. In the modern periodic table, calcium atomic number is 20 is surrounded by the elements with atomic number 12, 19, 21 and 38. Which of these have physical and chemical properties resembling calcium? Elements with atomic number 12 and 38. 12, if we write down atomic number and electronic configuration, it means 2, 8, 8 and 2. Electronic configuration of the calcium. Now for the 12, it is 2, 8 and 2. It means both these are the similar. Valence electron have 2, 19, 2, 8, 10, 8, 18 and 1. It means it is different from the calcium. Now 21, 2, 8, 8 and 3. 18 and 3, 21. It means it has the 3 valence electron, not 2. It is not similar. Now 38 atomic number. 2, 8, 8, 18, 2. It means this is also the similar. 12 and 38. 12 and 38 because they have 2 electron in the valence shell like the calcium. Both these have the 2 valence electron in the outermost shell. Compare and contrast the arrangement of element in Mendeleev periodic table and the modern periodic table. Similarities. In both, elements are arranged in the group and the periods. Both have the groups and periods. In both, similar elements are placed in the same group. Both the classification make the study of elements simple and systematic. Now difference. Mendeleev periodic table. The elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic mass or mass number. But modern periodic table depend on the atomic number. Mendeleev periodic table have 8 vertical column called group. 8 vertical column are called group, but modern periodic table have 18 vertical column. These are called groups. Groups exist group 8 which have been divided into the subgroup A and B, but in the modern periodic table each group is in an independent group. Inert gases are not included in the Mendeleev periodic table, but in the modern periodic table space is given to the inert gases. Inert gases are included in the periodic table. One more important question. Point out the major defect in the Mendeleev periodic table, or what are the anomalies of the Mendeleev periodic table. Defect of the Mendeleev periodic table are: first is the position of the hydrogen. Hydrogen was not placed at the top of the group first A. It is a non-metal, where all other elements included in the group are the metal, but hydrogen is the non-metal. Now, position of the isotopes. Position of the isotopes was not clear, and that this means that the element with different atomic mass must be given the separate places in the table. If this is correct, all the isotopes of element must be allotted separate position. Third, wrong order of the atomic masses of the some elements. In the table, elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, not the atomic number. This means that element with higher atomic mass must be placed after the element with the lower atomic mass. But in the tables, there are some anomalies. For example, cobalt with atomic mass 58.9 should be placed after the nickel, and nickel have the atomic mass 58.7, but it has been placed before the nickel. Fourth, elements with similar properties placed in the different group. Similar properties placed in the different group. In the periodic table, it has been found that elements with similar properties are placed in the different group. For example, copper and mercury have many common properties, but the copper have been placed in the group first B and mercury in the second B. Fifth point, no similarities in the element placed in the subgroups. The element present in the different subgroups of the same groups are expected to have common properties, but these are quite different. For example, element in group 1A are very soft and reactive metal, but element in the group 1B are hard and less reactive in nature. Next point is no explanation for cause of the periodicity. Mendeleev was not in a position to explain why the elements included in a group show similar properties. What is periodicity? What is the cause of periodicity? Periodicity is defined as the repetition of the similar properties of the element placed in a group and separated by the definite gap of atomic number. Causes of periodicity is properties of the elements, particularly the chemical properties, are linked with number of electrons present in the outermost shell, which is called the valence shell. Elements with similar valence shell electronic configuration are expected to have similar properties. It may be noted that all the elements which are present in a group have the same number of electrons in the valence shell. Important question, why is long form of periodic table regarded better than the Mendeleev periodic table? How could modern periodic table remove various anomalies of the Mendeleev periodic table? Mendeleev periodic table, modern periodic table based on the atomic number, which is considered better than the atomic mass, because the properties of element are related in the atomic number and not the mass number. It explains why the element placed in a group shows similar properties, but Mendeleev periodic table gives no explanation. All group in the periodic table are independent group and there are no subgroup as the Mendeleev periodic table. Many defects in the Mendeleev periodic table have been removed. There is no confusion regarding the position of the isotopes because all the isotopes of element have the same atomic number. Periodic table is more systematic than the Mendeleev table and easy to remember. Thank you.